Hello, I'm on the AWS booth on Hannover MES 2025, and I want to show you the integration of 42Q on this e-bike manufacturing cycle here. So what this does is it has a simulation of a manufacturing line that produces e-bike frames. There are 3 stations: staging, welding, sealing, and inspection, where manufacturing processes get simulated. What you see on the big screens is the data that is coming in. 42Q as the MES system behind it takes all the live data, the real-time data as it comes through, and gives you an easy, understandable visualization of the manufacturing line together with the main KPIs that 42Q provides you. You can select whether you want to see yield, what is visible right now, or you can switch to throughput, which shows you how many units are produced, or you can look at the WIP, which also tells you where things are stacking. What you've seen, that the changes of the color on the inspection line switched from red to green, which simply means it's now over target. We defined the target to 80%. If the target of the yield drops below 50% and 80%, it will change to red. It will alert people, and everybody knows that the inspection line is really running on a slower or a lower performance as expected. That's it, what I want to show you. Thank you.